Welcome back to yet another episode of Career Lounge, where we have candid conversations about how to move to the next level of your career, or as we like to call it here, making boss moves. Evidently, getting a job has become an extreme sport, and tarmacking has moved from tarmacking to tarmacking point one. The process now looks like school, internship, school, tarmacking point one, then job. Corona has made this process longer and even harder. But we need to move from the mindset of Corona this, Corona that, and start thinking of what are some of the ways that we can be able to make the most out of this pandemic. With this said, today we demystify some of the myths that we have been accustomed to before and during the pandemic. 1. The application process is the same. We need to know and to learn that recruiters and employers are looking at creative ways to make the application process. The sooner we learn this, the better. 2. You are irreplaceable provided you are in the company. The reality of the matter is there is someone who is willing and able to work or do the same job as you at possibly a lower pay. Did you know employment has shrunk from 17.8 million to 15.9 million? So that means approximately 1.9 million Kenyans are unemployed. Our solution to you: diversify your career portfolio. 3. CVs are no longer important. Remember, the right and the best CV is 1 foot inside the door. So sell yourself the very minute you send out that CV. 4. Technical skills will get you in. The truth of the matter is, technical skills are teachable to someone with the right and unique soft skills. So what makes you different? What makes you unique? What makes you stand out? Learn this and you are one step closer to positioning yourself in the right place in the corporate or the career space. Lastly, there are no jobs in Kenya. Have you heard about social capital? Who is within your networks? Who do you need to reach out to? Remember, the right networks will get you the right job, because at the end of the day, your network is your net worth. I will leave you with something to think about. Take 15 minutes each day out of your day and journal. Really think about what will you do different? What will you do better? What will you change in your career right now to help you to be at a very good competitive edge in the corporate space right now? From our Career Hub community to you, let's make those boss moves. In case you haven't, like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on post notifications to get videos like this and more from us. Till next time, kwaheri.